Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakotisamprabha Nirvighnan Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada. Artasvarupinam Tattvajnanaprashastaram Pranatosmi Param Padam Vakarthaviva Sampraktau Vakarta Pratipattaye Jagatah Pitaro Vande Parvati Parameshwaro Yenakshara Samamnayam Adhihamya Maheshwarat Krishnam Vyakaranam Proktam Tasmai Panihaye Namaha Vakyakaram Vararuchim Bhashyakaram Patanjalim Paninim Sutrakarancha Pranatosmi Munitrayam Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Mahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. So before we connect with the previous class, where we left with the Eti Edati Utsu and Pingi Pararupam, just recollecting this Utsarga Pavada, which is the Apavada for eco energy. Apavada to eco energy.
Savatna Dirgha.
Akasavane Dirgaha. That is Apavada. So Apavada can be before or after, anywhere. If it is after, it is Para Apavada. If it is Purva, it is Purva Apavada. Apavada can be mentioned before. Apavada can be mentioned later. Right? So Akasavane Dirgaha Apavada. Apavada to Yen Sandhi. And Akasavane Dirgaha is 61107. Eco energy is 6177. So Akasavane Dirgaha is Para Apavada. Para means after. Similarly, here in this, you can see Vriddhi Rechi. Okay, now let me ask this.
Your voice got break, Ji. What did you say? We didn't hear.
Sorry?
Your voice got break. I didn't hear you. What did you say? You said Parapavada. After that, I didn't hear anything.
Parapavada, that is Akasavane Dirgha is Parapavada.
Yeah, after that, I didn't hear anything.
Is it for all of you? Can you all hear me clearly?
Yeah, yes.
Can hear you.
Okay, so Sangametaraji, what I said was Akasavane Dirgaha is Parapavada to eco energy.
Okay.
That's what I said.
Okay,
After that, I was about to ask. Vriddhi,
Okay.
I didn't say anything. So, now between Guna Sandhi and Vriddhi Sandhi, what is the relationship between that? Guna and Vriddhi. Ad Gunaha Vriddhi Rechi.
Yeah.
Purva Padam will be Akara.
I'm asking what is the relationship between the two rules? Like what? Like what I said before now. Eco energy and Akasavane Dirgaha.
Okay.
Similarly,
Vriddhi and Savarna Dirgha Sandhi are Apavada to Gunaga.
Vriddhi and Savarna Dirgha, yes. Apavada to
Gunaga.
Vriddhi
Yeah, Vriddhi is apavada to Adgunaha. Yeah.
Vriddhi Sandhi is apavada to Guna Sandhi.
Adgunaha. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And Guna Sandhi, for Guna Sandhi, okay, Lalitaji, you said Akasavane Dirgaha is apavada to what?
அக்கசவர்ணி தீர்க்கம் வந்து எண் சந்திக்கு அப்பவாதா.
Okay.
ஆத்குணக வந்து விருத்தி சந்திக்கு அப்பவாதா.
Vriddhi Sandhi is apavada to Adgunaha.
Vriddhi is
Vriddhi
apavada
Sandhi.
to.
Okay. Now, what is the relationship between Adgunaha and Akasavane Dirgaha? Allah confusion acha. Okay. What is the relationship between Adgunaha and Akasavane?
Akasavane Dirgaha is exception to Adgunaha.
Yes. Right?
இதனால ரெண்டு எழுதியிருக்கேன்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
Yes. Such confusions will come. That is why in the beginning we don't see this. We see every sutra, every rules separately, right? You don't see the connection between the two. But now we have grown up to see the Utsarga Pavada relationship.
Yeah.
So Akasavane Adgunaha, when you say Ach comes as Anuvritti, when Avarna followed by Ach, A followed by A, possibility is that is taken care by Akasavane Dirgha. Therefore, Akasavane Dirgha is Apavada to Adguna. Similarly, Vriddhi, when you say same Ad, Avarna followed by Ach, not Ach, within Ach, H.
It is there.
Ach is there, that Ik part is taken care by Guna, and H part is taken care by Vriddhi. Therefore, Vriddhi is Apavada to Adguna. Right? Now, Vriddhi is chief fine. Then what? Coming to Pararupa. Eti Edati Utsu, that is also Vriddhi. Vriddhi only happens. Why Vriddhi happens? Give this example. Eti Edati Utsu, we have seen what is Eti, what is Edati and all. Eti is Eti in Dhatu's form. Eti, Yeshi, Emi and all. Okay. Forms of in Dhatu. Now we will come to Eti Edati Utsu. Before that, Yengi Pararupam we will do. So that will be clear. Yengi Pararupam. What is Yengi Pararupam? What does it say? Yengi Pararupam.
The Dhatu's beginning with Yeng.
Dhatu. For that Yengi Pararupam, we are going to see that sutra now. But before that, in this Sandhi chart, you can see that Yengi Pararupam. It is called Pararupa Sandhi. Number is 81. I mean, our number is 81. Sutra number is 6194. That is, here this Yengi Pararupam as the Anuvritti Upasarga. We are talking about Upasarga. Okay. And Dhatu also comes as Anuvritti. We are going to see when it's study Sutra, we will see. So, Upasarga is Anuvritti and Dhatu is Anuvritti. Upasarga ending with what? Ending with?
Avarna. Ending with Avarna.
Avarna. Right? From Avarna, from where you get as Anuvritti, you can guess. Avarna, from where you get this Avarna as Anuvritti? Adgunaha. No, Adgunaha.
Adgunaha. Yeah.
Remember, Avarna, Ad is Avarna. We have seen yesterday. Ad is Panchami, stands for means all the other letters also. So from Adgunaha comes as Anuvritti. So Upasarga and A means what? Upasarga ending with Avarna. Right?
Yeah.
Followed by what? Followed by Dhatu. Dhatu comes as Anuvritti. And the Dhatu should beginning with Yeng letter. Yengi, Saptami Vibhakti. So Upasarga ending with Avarna, followed by a Dhatu beginning with the Yeng letter, followed by Dhatu means the Kriyapadam. Dhatu means you have to take the Kriyapadam, not letter, the Upadeshika Dhatu. Okay. Dhatu means the Kriyapadam, Yeng. Okay. So, because we are talking about Upasarga will come with the Dhatu, with the Kriyapadam only, right? So, with the Kriyapadam. So Yeng is A and O. Now, what will happen? Purva Paryaga also comes as Anuvritti. And this is in the context of Sangita, Sandhi. So Sandhi Vishaya. So Sandhi Vishaye. When Upasarga ending with Avarna, followed by the Dhatu beginning with Yeng, then पूर्वपर्ययवस्थाने किम् आदेशः भवति?
Pararupa.
Pararupaha adesha bhavati. What is the pararupa? The yang is the adesha. Yang is the adesha. Example, pra plus ejate. You have seen this. Pra plus ejate. Ej dhatu. Pra upasarga. Pra plus ejate. What will happen? Generally, what will happen? Assume the sandhi is not there. Pararupa is not there. What will happen?
Vriddhi.
Vriddhi. So now this rule is what now?
Apavada to vriddhi.
Apavada to vriddhi. So yengi pararupam is apavada to vriddhi sandhi. So pra plus ejate should have become prayate, but doesn't become, becomes pararupa prayate, right?
Yeah.
Now instead of ejate, suppose if I say eti, if I say eti, then what will happen?
Pra plus eti, you're asking.
Pra
Okay.
plus eti, what will happen? It should become preti.
Mm-hmm.
It should become preti. But that will not happen. That is what we are going to see. If it is pra plus eti, it should become preti, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
But that will
According
not
to
happen.
here, it is, yeah. According to this rule, it should become preti, but not. Okay.
But it will not become. It will become praiti. So when it becomes praiti, what does it mean?
Vriddhi has happened.
Vriddhi. Therefore, it will come under what section? Vriddhi section.
Yes.
Vriddhi.
Okay.
That is
That
why
is that eti.
that is why eti edati also you will find in before the vriddhi.
Mm-hmm.
So the connection is pararupa, that is yengi pararupam is apavada to vriddhi, and yeti edati utsu is apavada to pararupa. Apavada to pararupa will be vriddhi. Okay. The enemy to your enemy is your what? Your friend, right? Same logic. The same logic here. Understand now?
Yes, Ji. Yeah.
Now we can see yengi pararupam and then we will come to yeti edati utsu. That would be better. So now yengi pararupam already we have shown here. You can see the sandhi chart. Examples are there. Now 6194 we will see.
Okay.
6194. For 6194, well, we have to see the anuvritti. Anuvritti upasarga, important. Upasarga is there. So yengi is what vibhakti? Saptami. Pratipadikam is
Pratipadiyam will be yang.
Yang, like Marut Shabda. Maruti, Yengi.
Yeah.
Pararupam is the Adesha.
Mm.
Pararupam.
Good.
Yekaha Pararupam. So Yekaha Purva Pariyoga is there. Anuvritti,
Mm-hmm.
which is 6184. It's Adhikara.
Okay.
So from that Yekaha you have to bring. Yekaha you have to connect with Pararupa. Yekaha Pararupam.
Mm.
There is a gender doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. In Vyakaran it doesn't matter. Pararupam is that we have to make it to Pararupaha. Because Yekaha is a Pararupaha. We have to change the gender.
Okay.
Sutra is yengi pararupam. But when we form the vritti, ekaha is there, ekaha purva pariyogo, that ekaha means one. So one be the adesha. So ekaha pararupaha. You have to convert. Ekaha pararupaha adesha bhavati. Now, when does it happen? Upasargat comes as anuvritti. Upasargat, you can see the sutra pata. There, upasargat comes as anuvritti from Sutra Upasargat Rati Dhatu. This also we have covered in the Sandhi chart. Upasargat Rati Dhatu. From that Upasargat comes as Anuvritti. It goes up to 94. And Dhatu also goes up to 94. Right? So Upasargat, Dhatu both goes as Anuvritti. Up to 94. And we are in 94, 6194. So it comes here. Dhatu. Right? So Upasargat, Dhatu. Then At comes as Anuvritti from At Gunaha. And Achi comes as Anuvritti, but Achi is it required? Not required. Achi even though comes as Anuvritti, but Achi is not required because we are talking about Yengi. Yengi. Achi is Saptami. Yengi also Saptami. Achi is not required. Even though comes as Anuvritti, because Anuvritti is doesn't mean that you have to use in every sutra. If it is got purpose, you can use it. Otherwise, Anuvritti is not to be read. Okay. Even though Achi is here, but not required. Then adhikara samhitayam ekaha purvaparayoho. Now with this we can write the vritti. At upasargat. At comes as anuvritti from at gunaha. Upasargat at. It means what? Upasarga. You can see the visheshana visheshya here. Upasarga. What upasarga? Ending with akara. Right? It's not any upasarga. Particularly upasarga ending with avarna. It's talked about. So at is the visheshana to the visheshya upasargat. At upasargat followed by yengi. And dhatu is what vibhakti? Saptami. Yengi dhatu. Dhatu beginning with yeng letter. Then what happens? Pura parayoko ekaha pararupaha adeshaha bhavati. That is what the vritti is. Now we can develop the vritti by adding more and more words. Avarnantat. Avarnantat upasargat. Upasarga, at upasarga means, okay, let me ask this, you answer. Upasarga is upasarga. At means what?
Panchami.
Huh?
Yeah. Panchami.
Between upasarga and what is the connection? How do you say it?
Upasarga.
Visheshanam.
Avarna of upasarga, can we say? At is avarna, right?
Yes.
Upasarga is upasarga. So avarna of upasarga. Is it right or wrong? Avarna of upasarga.
Yeah. Upasarga starting with avarna. That is the meaning, right?
Upasarga starting with avarna. If it is going to be starting, then sandhya how can happen with the following word? Right? Understand? If upasarga begins with avarna, then sandhi should happen with the word preceding the upasarga, not with the upasarga.
Ending in our now.
Yeah. Ending in avarna. Okay.
How do you know?
Upasarga
It's a
ending
good
in
thing. What you said is a good thing, Sangamitraji. You said starting, but Vasantiji says ending. Now is ending or starting? How do you know it? For that we have a paribhasha. That is called Tadanta Vidhi.
Okay.
It's called Tadanta Vidhi. Tat Anta Vidhi. Right? So that is why in the Sutrata you will see Avarnantat. Antat word is there. Anta.
Yeah.
So when you are talking about a word, it means we are talking about the end of the word. Not the middle, not the adi. The paribhasha will explain later. Tadadi vidhi. Some paribhashas we have to see. So tadadi vidhi, tadanta vidhi, and some more paribhashas are there. So this is tadanta vidhi. That is why in your vritti when you write, you will write like this. Avarnantat upasarga. Very important. Anta. Upasarga ending with anta, that is ending with avarna, not adi. Otherwise avarnadhyaha will become a problem. Avarnantat upasargat. This is called tadanta vidhi. Tat anta stane, tad anta, not stana, tadanta, tadantat, tat antat, ending with that. So avarnantat upasargat. Engi is A and O. Therefore, ekaradi, okaradi, dhatu rupe, pare, right? That the forms of the dhatu ending with ekara and okara. Then what happens? Purva parayogo. Para is following. What follows what? Ekara okara follows the avarnanta upasarga. Follows then purva parayogo sthane pararupaha adesha bhavati. Right? Okay. Now, example we can see. Like what? Pra plus ejate. The same example. Pra plus ejate. Pra is upasarga. Avarnanta upasarga. Followed by the dhatu beginning with eng. So, engi dhatoho. Ekara dhatu rupe pare. Kim bhavati purva parayogastane pararupaha adesha bhavati. Therefore, this is Vidhi doesn't happen because the conditions are fulfilled. The condition is upasarga must end in avarna, number 1. Followed by the forms of the dhatu, number 2. If it is other than dhatu, will it happen? No. If it is other than the dhatu, what will happen?
Vriddhi.
Vriddhi will happen. So, very important. Dhatu beginning with eng. So, dhatu is important. Dhatu condition is important. Right? Then, Pararupa Sandhi happen. Now we can quickly read this. Here, this also has got many apavadas. That apavada thing we can see later. This Pararupa we will see in detail maybe after next class. But in your list, you can insert Pararupa first, this roots first, and then Yeti Yeti Utsu. Okay. So this is Pararupa. It has got some Vartika and all. I think if we do this, it will take a lot of time now. I think we can do this. Okay, let me do this one, and then Yeti Yeti Utsu will do later after this. Okay, so Pararupa now, you know, it is apavada to vriddhi. Then Upasargaha Kriya Yoge Anena Sutrena Pradiganasya Shabdaha Kriya Yoge Upasarga Sanyam Prapnoti. Okay, what is Upasarga? He says. Upasarga, it comes, why it gets a Sanya Upasarga? It comes with the Kriya Yoge, Kriya Padam. Then Yedi Kaschana Akaranta Upasargaha Ekaradehe Okaradehe Dhaturupat Purum Agachati Tarki Pura Paryoha Ekaha Pararupaha Ekadesha Vidiyate. Whatever we said, the same thing. Here Upasargaha Kriya Yoge, that we will see later. That Pradi and all, Pradi Gati, all those Sanyas, Karma Pravachaniya and all those things are there. We will see that later. Now the example. Yata Pra plus Ejate Prejate. Upa plus Oshati, Uposhati. Ubayatra Vriddhi iti anena praptam Vriddhim Bhaditva Pararupa Ekadesha Bhavati. Bhaditva means negating, dismissing. So it is Apavada to Vriddhi Sandhi. Vriddhi should have happened, but it doesn't happen. Therefore, Pararupa is Apavada. Asmin Sutre Dikshitaha. What is Dikshita? Bhattoji Dikshita. Siddhanta Kaumudi's author. Dikshitaha Siddhanta Kaumudyamba Vasupya Pishalehe. Apishali is one of the grammarian. Before we had 9 grammars, right? So one of the grammar written by Apishali. So Apishali referring to the Purva Acharya. Siddhanta Kaumudyam va supya pishalehe iti ataha vasupi iti api anuvartayati. Tena avarnanta upasargat ekaradi vokaradi sub dhatau pare upayoga vikalpena pararupakha ekadesha jayate yata edaka matmanam icchati asmin arte edaka shabdasya kyach pratyaya krite edakiya iti sub dhatu siddhyati. Idanim pra plus edakiyati ityatra vikalpena pararupa ekadesham krutva predakiyati iti rupam siddhyati. Vikalpa abhave vriddhirechi iti anena vriddhim krutva praidakiyati iti rupam siddhyati. Atra anuvartitaha va ayam shabdaha kevalam supi iti asya krite asti yengi iti asya krite nasti it is krite na iti smartavyam ataha vikalpena kevalam subdhatoho vishaye eva uktaha asti anyesham vishaye na. I just give you what he says quickly here. So we are talking about in this sutra only the dhatu, beginning with yang, right? Condition is dhatu. Siddhanta Kaumudi Kara, what he says is, he referring to this Vartika, Supya Pishalehe, there he says that there's a word Edaka. Okay. Edaka is that from that we can derive one Kriya Padam Edakiyati. Here Edakiyati, the word Edaka is not a dhatu. Okay. From the dhatu, you can derive, from the dhatu, we can derive a pratipadikam. From pratipadikam, we can derive a dhatu. That is called nama dhatu. It's called nama dhatu. Putriyati. All these are nama dhatus. Nama dhatus are those which are derived from the pratipadikam. So we can go on like this. So there is no end to it. So edakiyati, edaka is not a dhatu. It is like a nama dhatu. Subdhatu. That's why he says subdhatu is namadhatu. Now, pra plus edakiyati. Now, which one you will apply? Will you apply vriddhi sandhi or you will apply pararupa sandhi? If you say pararupa sandhi, the condition is not fulfilled, right?
It's not a
Edakiyati is not dhatu.
Okay.
So therefore, vriddhi can be done. If you do vriddhi, you get praidakiyati. But here, this is va is optionally. If vriddhi is optional, what you can do? Pararupa.
Okay.
So therefore, you get predakiyati. So if it is a Namadhatu, then Pararupa is optional. It means Vriddhi can be done also.
Anything can.
Praidakiyeti. Anyway, this is not important now at this stage. Just I have read that we're giving the meaning of this. Continuing further. Okay, now Pararupa, you know what Pararupa is. Now, some Vartikas are there. You will see Vartika in the Sutra Pata. Also, you will see one Vartika is there. The Sutra Pata Shakandvadishu iti one Vartika is there. Shakandvadishu Pararupam Vachyam. Okay.
Yeah.
Even in the Sandhi chart, it is there. In the Sandhi chart, that time when I said it's not important, but now it has become important because studying Sutra. So here you can see Shakandvadishu Vachyam. This is one. Let us see this and then go back to the Sutra. To the words belonging to Shakandvadi Gana. Gana means group. Okay. We have Ganapata, Sutra Pata, Dhatu Pata, Ganapata, Linganushatanam, Unari Sutra. These are the Pancha Grantha written by Panini Maharishi. And in the Ganapata is grouping of words. Okay. You find a lot of words grouped together. So there is a group called Shakandvadi Gana. From the name you can understand. Shakandu is the first word in the Gana. That is why it is called Shakandu Adi Shakandvadi Gana. So, to the words belonging to the Shakandvadi Gana, what happens is the preceding tea. What is tea? You had all tea in the morning? And yet to have anything hot? Not yet. With hot water mixed with neem leaves, I'm taking for my throat in the morning. What is tea?
Tea Bhaga, tea Sangya.
Let us repeat.
Tithagama, is it?
Not
The
Tithagama.
last
Let us
group of letters.
Ah.
Yeah, the group of letters from the last Ach.
Well, last Ach, from the last stage. Yes, that's called T. Achontyadi T. That is, starting the last Ach of the word is called T. A word is there. A word or a pratyaya or a dhatu, whatever it may be. Find out the vowels in that. Find out the last vowel. From the last vowel up to the end of that, it's called T.
Oh, okay. Technical term, isn't it?
It's a sanya. It's a sanya, not Tithagama.
Okay.
Tit is different, T is different. T is a sanya, it's a name. Achontyadi T.
Okay.
Okay, we will see the sanya later. It comes.
Okay.
I said Achontyadi. It means Antima Ach. Adi is etc. Achontya, Antya Ach. Adi means etc. Not Adi Ach, okay? Antya Ach, starting from Adi means etc. Up to the end. It's called T.
Okay.
Like, for example, here, Shaka is there. Okay, Shaka is not a good example. Manas, let us take Manas. What is the T letter here? Manas. How many vowels are there in the Manas?
Two. Ma and Na both have a vowel. So Nakara will be the last touch.
In the Nakara, Akara is there. That is the last touch. Starting from that up to the end.
Okay. Till Sakara. Okay.
It means As.
Us.
Yeah. Us.
As is a T letter. And in Shaka, what is a T letter? Shaka.
On Shaka, Kakara is the end last touch.
A is there. A is the T letter.
Okay.
Similarly, in Patat, what is the T letter?
At.
That's called T.
Okay.
Group of Varnas. I have given here group of Varnas starting from the last touch to the end. That is what T is. The definition of T is given already here, right?
Okay.
So both the preceding T and the succeeding Ach will be replaced by the Pararupam. Okay. So this is only for the words belonging to this particular Gana, Shakandvadi Gana. So since the Gana begins with the letter, with the word Shakandu, therefore Shaka plus Anduhu. What will happen generally? General rule is Savarna Dirgha. But that will not happen. Therefore, this is Apavada to Savarna Dirgha. So Yengi Pararupam, for that, the Vartika is Apavada to Savarna Dirgha also. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, then Then this shaka plus andu, shakanduhu. Is it not covered by the atogune, Ramaji? Doesn't it is covered by atogune?
Wait, which one? Sorry.
This rule, shaka plus anduhu and all. Study you asked.
Yeah, yeah. It's not upasarga, no? So it is atoguna.
There is no upasarga condition in atogune. There is upasarga condition in atogune.
Padanta akara.
Padanta akara followed by gunagata. That is atogune, right?
Yeah.
But here is all padam only. Shaka plus andu is a samasa, so it's a padam.
Okay.
So therefore you cannot apply atogune here. That's why going separately here. Atogune also same. Its form will be same, but it is different from that because apadanta, that is atogune. Here all not apadanta. So shaka plus anduhu is apavada to samana dirgha, therefore shakanduhu, pararupa. Pararupa means a plus a will be replaced by the a of anduhu. Similarly, manas plus isha, that as plus e will be replaced by e, manisha. That's how we get manisha. Manasaha ishte iti manisha. Manisha panchakam. Patat plus anjalihi. You cannot apply justice in the here. See, note this, important. Patat plus anjalihi, not padat. Patadad anjalihi, it won't become. So, patat plus anjalihi is pararupa. All these words, Patanjali, if you want to see how the word is, then you have to refer this Gana only. It has got two things are there, pat to fall, pata, anjali becomes Patanjali. How it becomes Patanjali? This is placed under this Shakandvadi Gana, patat plus anjalihi. You apply the pararupa sandhi, you get Patanjalihi, right? Similarly, kaka plus anduhu. So therefore, many words, no, we may not be knowing, it's all in some Gana, which are not derivable. It is there in the Gana, we have to find out. It's very difficult to know all the words of all the Ganas. Some important words are given here. Shakandvadi. Kaka plus anduhu, kakanduhu. Right? These are the, so now we know these, the words which are read in the Shakandvadi Gana, where the pararupa is applied. The condition is T followed by H. Both will be replaced by pararupa. Now coming back to the Sutra Pata here. So Vartikam also we have covered to the Engi pararupa. Atra Kanichana Vartikani Nyatavyani. You can see I am reading there. Kanichana, can you see? Can you see that Atra Kanichana Vartikani Nyatavyani?
Yes, Ji. Yeah.
Yes.
Shakandvadishu pararupa vachyam. Pararupam vachyam, it is the Vartika. Shakandvadi ganasya shabdanam nirmane purva shabdasya ti sanyakasya parashabdasya adisvarena saha pararupa ekadesha karaniyaha ityartaha. Understood?
Yeah. Yes.
Purva shabda ti, parashabda, that is
Adi
adisvarena. Swarena is adisvarena. Swara is ach. So both will be replaced by pararupa. Ayam shakadvadi ganaha etadrishaha. So I have seen the examples. Shaka plus anduhu, shakanduhu. Atra akara akarayoho savana dirghaha baditva anena vartikena pararupaha ekadeshaha akaraha vidiyate. Understood? Apavada to savana dirgha sandhi. Then karkandu also same thing. Karka plus andu. Karkadeshasya kupaha. Okay. Andu means kupaha. Karka and shaka, these are the deshasya nama. Okay. Kulata plus ata. Kulan atati sa veshya ityartaha. Oh, okay. This is a new thing I'm learning now. Kulan atati sa veshya. Okay. So kula plus ata. Apavada to samadhis irgasandhi. Kulata. Then Simanta, Seman plus Anta. T is Anta is Ach. So Seman plus Anta, Semanta. Not Semananta, Semanta. Seman Shabdasya T Sanyaka Ityasya Akare Pare Pararupa Ekadesha Akaraha Bhavati. Seman Ityukte Keshana Madhye Upastita Resha Kesha Veshaha. Oh, Keshana Madhye Upasita Resha. तस्य अन्तः सीमन्तः सीमान्तः इति भिन्नः अस्ति सीमायाः यः अन्तः सः सीमान्तः इत्यत्र तु सवर्णदीर्घः एव भवति ओके सीमान् that is different सीमान्तः is different here सीमन्तः is different सीमन्ता is Tamil सीमन्ता is there no सीमन्तं
Yeah.
there what they do something in the hair something is saying iti yukte seeman iti yukte keshanam madhye upasita resha the resha is I think the mark this partition when you do
Vagadu.
Yeah.
kesha vesha that's called seemantah maybe this is maybe the ritual in seemantah is it there anything I don't know
Yes.
Yeah.
yes, okay. So seemantah Tamil seemantah this seemantah that is same seemantah is different. So this is also in Shakandvadigana, the word Simanta. Then Manisha, Manas plus Isha. Manas Shabdasya T Sanyakaha As iti etasya Ikare pare Pararupa Ekadeshaha Ikaraha Adeshaha Bhavati. Manasaha Isha Manisha, that's how it comes. Manasaha Isha Ishte iti Manisha. Isha iti yukte Agram, that which is closer, Isha. What is closer to Manas? It's not closer or farther. It's just because Chaitanyam is reflected in the mind. Therefore, it is closer. That's why Manisha Panchakam. Halisha. Hala plus Isha. Halasya Isha. Halisha. Alasya also Agram. That which is close. Halisha. Langalisha. Langala plus Isha. Langalasya Isha. So Langala iti yukte halaha ityava. All these are same meaning. Langalisha, Halisha. So, Patanjali plus Patan plus Anjali. Patat plus Anjali or Patan plus Anjali, whatever it may be. Patan Shabdasya T Sanyakasya An iti asya Akare pare Pararupa Ekadesha Akaraha Bhavati Anjalyam Patan Saha Patanjalihi. Very nice word. Anjalyam Patan. With the Anjali, he falls down. Right? Patanjali. Sarangaha. Sara plus Anga. Sarani Angani Yasya Saha. Sara plus Anga. Vriddhi, this Apavada to Savanadira becomes Saranga. Saranga is the name of the Lord Vishnu. Sarangapani. Pashupakshiva ityartaha. Saranga. Sarani Angani. Anyasmin arte tu Sarangaha iti Savanadira Bhavati. Okay. In other meaning. Saranga also the word is there, but it is a different
Meaning.
So all these are Gana. And important thing is, I am Ganaha, Akriti Ganaha. Akriti means it's an open Gana. It means new words can be added to the Gana. Akriti Gana is open Gana. The poets may add new words to it. Is it possible? It's possible. Okay. Akriti Gana is open Gana. Even you can, if you form a word, you can add to it. So it's allowable. You can add. So Akriti is open Gana. Some Ganas are closed. If it is closed,
Which Gana is mentioned as Akriti Gana ji? Which one?
Shakandvadi Gana.
Oh, that Shakandvadi Gana.
I am Ganaha referring to this Gana.
Okay.
This Gana is Akriti Gana. There are some Ganas which are open, some Ganas which are closed. It means only those words in that Gana. You cannot add words to that. Whereas this is open because you can Sanskritam you can form so many words, right? So new words you can form, so which can be very well fit into this Gana. And you can suppose if you form a word, you can say it comes under Shakandvadi Gana. There you instead of Savana Dirgha, you will apply Pararupa, which is your word. You have formed it. Akriti Gana.
ಅದು ದಶಗಣವು ಇದಕ್ಕೂ என்ன ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್?
Dashagana, what is Dashagana?
All the
Dhatu.
10, first to 10 Ganas.
That is Dhatu Pata. That is Dhatu Pata. This is Gana Pata. Both are different.
Okay.
Different Grantha.
Mhm.
Gana means group. There the Dhatus are grouped. Here the words are grouped.
ಓಕೆ.
The words which are there in the language, which are maybe exception to like this Sandhi, those words are listed. Or the words which have got certain, similarity or meaning, they are grouped like that. Okay. Patanjali, it's derived with Patan plus Anjali. You cannot apply the normal Sandhi rule and get this. So therefore it is grouped under this. You have to apply Pararupa Sandhi. So Pararupa, for Pararupa, since it is comes under Pararupa, therefore one Gana is introduced, Shakandvadi Gana. So all the Apavadas or all the words which are aligned with Pararupa, those are listed there. Okay. So this is Akriti Gana. Iti yukte Shishta Prayogaihi Anye Shabdaha Apyatra Bhavitum Arganti. That is what I said. Shishta Prayoga means the words used by the Shishta Acharya. Other than that, other words are also can be included here. That is what it means. Yata Mritanda is equal to Mrita plus Anda. Okay. Anyway, this is our Akriti Gana. Oh, that I think more Vartikas are there. So one Vartika here, this only one Vartika is given in the Dhatu in the Sutra Pata. We have seen that one Vartika. I think next Vartika we will see. We will see in the next class. Okay. So Yengi Pararupam. Then after that we can do Eti Ereti Utsu. We can stop here.
Sir, the meaning is, sir, Anjalyam Patan Saha Patanjalihi. Anjali in a folded hands.
With that you fall.
Oh, okay.
That's Namaskaram.
Namaskara with fall means not falling, prostrating with the
Anjali Mutra.
It's called Patanjali.
Oh, okay.
Can you please send me the list of sutras, what we saw in the order? I think would have sent before.
Yeah.
List of sutras. Yeah, please send me.
Yeah.
So we will next class we will continue with Yengi Pararupam. There's other Vartikas. Some Vartikas may be useful. Some Vartikas already we know it. Like Otoshta Yogo Samaseva Pararupam Bhaktavim. We have seen that. Okay, we will see that. We will see that in the next class. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. In the last class, in the previous class, immediate previous class, Prichati, I said it is Samprasaranam only. Just forgot to tell that class.
Okay.
Prachdhatu, get Prichati.
Okay. And that one more thing, when the Bhuvadayaha Dhatavahala Bhu plus Va is another Dhatun சொன்னீங்க இல்லையா ஒரு ரெண்டு கிளாஸ்க்கு முன்னாடி அதுல வா தாத்து வந்து செகண்ட் கணா அதுதானா இல்ல செகண்ட் கண தாத்துவா அது Bhuvadayaha Dhatavahala Bhu and then Va is also a Dhatun சொன்னீங்க.
Okay.
Va is a second கண தாத்து வான் ஒன்னு இருந்தது ஒருவேளை அதுதானா இல்ல வேற ஏதாவதான்னு கேட்கிறேன்.
Let me see. Bhuvadayaha. Okay. Bhuvadayaha here. Bhusattaya. Yechana. Arabhya. Tutta avraniti yavat. Arabhya. Dhadupade samavishta santi. Just a minute, let me check that. Bhu Vadayaha. Why is Dhatu? Asminarte va ayam shabdaha dhatu sanyaka asti parantu atava asminarte na. Okay.
Third point like Bhu tata va iti.
Etayoh granam kritam kritam. Bhu iti esa granam kriyate chet vadayaha dhataha iti sutram abhavishyat. Evam sute kevalam vadiganasya shabdaha eva dhatu sanyaka bhavati iti arthaha ajanishyat. Ataha acharyaha adadiganasya vapi. Yes, adadigana dhatum svikaroti. Yeah, va is adadigana.
Okay.
Second gana dhatu. Yes.
Okay.
Va dhatu is kriyavachi shabda. Yes. Yes,
Okay.
it's the second gana dhatu. Second gana va dhatu is it? What does it mean?
It means to do only. To do.
Oh, okay.
Just checking the what the ganas. I mean,
Yes,
what
yes.
is the dhatu?
Yes, vadatu.
Okay. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
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 ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.